Welcome to Mariners Fund. Today in this video I am going to discuss about electrical numerical question asked in MEO class 4. So coming to the question, this is the question. A 25 kilowatt a single phase transformer has 250 turns on the primary coil and 40 turns on the secondary winding. The primary is connected to 1500 voltage and 50 Hz. Means calculate secondary EMF, primary and secondary current on full load, and third maximum flux in core. So first I will check what we have data given. Data we have rating. We also denote it by S. Primary turn given, secondary turn given, primary voltage given, and frequency is given. Now we will calculate everything one by one. So given data already we discussed. Now we have to calculate secondary EMF. So in transformer we know that ratio voltage directly proportion. So V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1, and when we apply this formula, then we can easily calculate secondary EMF. So simply V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1, and N2 is not a speed here, N2 is turn. So turn, primary turn and secondary turn is given, and here EMF in the primary coil is given. So we can easily calculate EMF in secondary coil. Next we have primary and secondary current on full load. As we know that power is equal to VI. So we can easily calculate I is equal to power by V. So here we calculate current in primary coil. Similarly, using same formula, we can calculate current in secondary coil. This induced EMF already we calculated above. Now we have to calculate maximum flux in the core. For this we have to know the formula. EMF is equal to 4.44 into frequency into N and into maximum flux. For any coil we can apply. For we will apply for primary coil. We can calculate maximum flux. So this is the formula. Here is induced EMF we can take in the primary coil. Similarly, N1 is the N1 we can take number of turn in primary coil. F is the frequency. By using this formula we can calculate phi max. When you put all the value, you can find this value. So here we calculated all the things. Thank you.